Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off match content frame rate. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to display and sound. Go down, set match content frame rate. Here you can see three options. Right now I have selected never. So never means it's off. In this case, this TV will not automatically change frame rate based on the frame rate of the content that we are playing. Let me set always. Done. When we set always, TV will automatically change frame rate based on the frame rate of the content that we are playing. So this way we can turn on or off match content frame rate. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.